GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi students! In the previous video, we have covered the topics, example problems 3 and 4 and exercise 1.2. In this video, let us cover the topics, real numbers and their decimal expansions and example problems 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now, let us see real numbers and their decimal expansion. In this, we have example number 5. Find the decimal expansions of 10 by 3, 7 by 8 and 1 by 7. Now, let us find the decimal expansions of these three rational numbers or real numbers. First, let us take 10 by 3. 3 is our divisor and 10 will be dividend. Now, see, 3 3s are 9 and 10 minus 9 is 1. We got remainder 1. Now, see, 1 is not divisible by 3. So, let us take a point here. Let us take a point here and write 0 here. Now, see, again 3 3s are 9. Now, 10 minus 9 is again 1. Again 1 is not divisible by 3. As we have a point here, let us write 0 again. Keeping 1 point, we can write any number of zeros. Now again, 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. So here, if you observe, the remainder 1 is going on repeating. So, let us stop it until here. Now let us see the next one, which is 7 by 8. Here 8 is divisor and 7 is dividend. If you see, 7 is smaller than 8. So it is not divisible by 8. So let us take a 0 and put a point. Because we don't have any number, we can't put directly the point. So I have taken 0 and kept a point. Now I can write a 0 here. Now see, 8 8s are 64. Again 8 9s are 72, means it becomes more than 70. So 8 8s are 64. 70 minus 64 is 6. Now as we have a point here, let us write 0 because 6 is not divisible by 8. So 8 7s are 56. Now 60 minus 56 gives you 4. Again 4 is not divisible by 8 as it is smaller number. Let us write a 0 here as we have a point. Now 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40, 0. So we got the 0 as remainder here. Let us see the last one. We have 1 by 7. 7 will be divisor and 1 will be dividend. Now as you know, 1 is smaller than 7. It can't divide by 7. So let us take a 0 and put a point. Now we can write 0 here. Now 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Again 3 is smaller than 7. Now as we have a point here, let us take a 0. Now 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28 gives you 2. Now again let us take a 0 as we have a point here. Now 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. Now 6 is smaller than 7. Again let us take a 0. Now 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 gives you 4. Again 4 is smaller than 7. Now let us take a 0 again. Now 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35, 5. Again let us take a 0. Now 7 7s are 49. So 50 minus 49, 1. We got remainder 1. If you see, we have rational numbers 10 by 3, 7 by 8 and 1 by 7. In this case, we got repeating remainder as 1. And in this case, we got 0. But in this case, it went on going, but finally it ended with 1. So, if we write 0 and start again, it comes again like this. If we write 0 again we need to write 7. So, this procedure will be repeating after this. Now, let us see example number 6. Show that 3.142678 is a rational number. In other words, express 3.142678 in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. See, we have a decimal number, that is 3.142678. Now, we need to convert this number into a rational number. See, rational number means it should be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. In order to convert a decimal number into a rational number, that is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0, we need to check the number of digits after the point. See, here we have the point. After the point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After point, we have 6 digits. So, this decimal number can be converted into a fraction, that is rational number, that is 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8 by, see, I have removed point. Now, I need to write that many number of 0, that how many digits are there after the point. Here I have 6 digits after the point. So, I need to write 1 and 6 zeros. See, now I have converted this decimal number into a rational number, that is, it is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. See, right? So, 3142678 by 1 and 6 zeros. So, after point I have 6 digits. I have written 6 zeros. So, hence, it is a rational number. Now, let us see example number 7. Show that 0.3333 and so on is equal to 0.3 bar can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. See, here we have a decimal expansion, that is 0.3333 is equal to 0.3 bar. First, let us write it. 0.3333 and so on is equal to 0.3 bar. See, here we have bar for only one digit, that is 3. That is why the number 3 keeps on repeating. Now, see, we don't know what is 0.3 here. So, let us assume 0.3 bar is equal to x. Let us assume 0.3 bar is equal to x. So, if 0.3 bar will be x, then 0.3333 and so on will be also x, as it is equal to 0.3 bar. So, 0.3333 and so on is equal to x. Now, we need to multiply 10 on both the sides, that is left hand side and right hand side, because we have bar for only one digit. So, if we have bar for only one digit, we need to write only 1 0. So, 10 only will be having 1 0. Let us multiply 10 on both the sides. 10 into 0.3333 and so on is equal to x into 10. Now, 10 into 0.333 and so on becomes 3.333 and so on is equal to x into 10 is 10x. Now, see, if we multiply with 10, see, we have only 1 0. So, the point moves one step towards left. So, it became 3.333 and so on is equal to 10x. If you see, 3.333 is nothing but 3 plus x. See, 3.333 and so on is nothing but 3 plus x, because we assumed x as 0.3333 and 3 plus 0.3333 will become 3.333. See, if you see, 3 plus x is 0.3333 and so on. So, if we add, it becomes 3.333 and so on. So, same we have got here. Now, if you see, we have 3.333 and so on as 10x. So, let us write 10x in the place of 3.333 and so on. Right? I have written 10x in the place of 3.333 and so on, as I have 10x. Now, is equal to 3 plus x. In the place of this, I have written 10x is equal to 3 plus x. Now, 10x, if this x comes towards left hand side, it becomes minus x. So, 10x minus x is equal to 3. 10x minus x is nothing but 9x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So, it is nothing but 1 by 3. So, 0.3 bar, that is 0.3 bar is equal to 0.3333 and so on is equal to 1 by 3. That is the rational number which we have found in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Now, let us see example 8. Show that 1.272727 and so on is equal to 1.27 bar can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Same, we need to take 1.272727 and so on is equal to 1.27 bar as X. Let us assume this as X. Now 1.272727 is equal to X. As we have bar for 2 digits. In the previous example problem, we have bar for only 1 digit, that is 3. But here we have for 2 digits. So, we need to multiply 100 on both the sides, that is left hand side and right hand side. Because 100 has 2 zeros, we have bar for 2 digits. So, 100 into 1.272727 is equal to 100 into X. Now 100 into 1.272727 is nothing but 127.2727 because we have 2 zeros. So, the point moves 2 zeros towards left. So, after 7, I have put a point and written like this. And so on is equal to 100 into X is 100X. Now, if you see 127.2727 and so on is equal to 126 plus X. See, 126 plus X. X is nothing but 1.272727. Now, 126 plus 1 gives you 127.272727. So, 127.2727 can be written as 126 plus X, like this. Now, 127.2727 is nothing but 100X. So, I have written 100X in place of this is equal to 126 plus X. Now, this X comes towards left. 100X minus X is equal to 126. 100X minus X, 99X is equal to 126. X equal to 126 by 99. So, if you see X equal to 126 by 99, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 is left, 3 4s are 12. So, X is equal to 14 by 11. So, 1.27 bar is equal to 1.272727 and so on is equal to 14 by 11. Now, this decimal one is converted into a rational number that is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Now, let us see example 9. Show that 0.2353535 and so on is equal to 0.235 and the bar is there for only 3, 5. Can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. See here, let us take 0.2353535 is equal and so on is equal to 0.235 and the bar is for only 3, 5. Let us assume it as X. Right? Now, if you see, the bar is there only for 2 digits. As you know, 2 digits means we need to multiply 100. If you see, after point we have 3 digits. But the bar is there only for 2 digits. So, 0.23535 and so on is equal to X. This equal to this. Now, let us multiply 100 on left hand side and right hand side as we have bar for 2 digits. So, 100 into 0.23535 and so on is equal to 100 into X. Now, 100 into 0.2353535 gives you 23.53535. See, as we have 2 zeros in 100, so the point moves 2 digits towards left side. So, after 3 we get a point and remaining digits I have written is equal to 100 into X, 100X. Now, if you see 23.53535 and so on is equal to 23.3 plus X. This can be written as 23.3 plus X. See, 23.3 plus X is nothing but 0.2353535 and so on. 0.2353535 and so on. So, if we add these two, it becomes 23 plus 0, 23.3 plus 2, 5 and the remaining digits are 35, 35, 35 and so on. See, we got the same thing, 23.53535. Now, see, 23.53535 and so on is nothing but 100x. So, let us write 100x in the place of this. 100x is equal to 23.3 plus x. I have written 100x in the place of this is equal to 23.3 plus x. Now, if this x comes towards left hand side, it becomes minus. So, 100x minus x is equal to 99x is equal to 23.3. Now, if you see, we have this number in decimal form. Let us convert into fractional form, that is 99x is equal to 233 by 10. See, after point we have one digit. So, we need to divide with 10. Suppose if we have 2 digits after the point, we will divide with 100. So, we have only one digit. I have divided with 10. Now, cross multiply. That is, here it is 1. Cross multiply. So, 99 into 10x is equal to 233 into 1. So we have nothing here. So it will be 1. 99 into 10 is 990. X is equal to 233. So x is equal to 233 by 990. So 0.235, 35, 35 and so on is equal to 0.235 bar is equal to 233 by 990. We have converted this decimal form into a rational number, that is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. You are welcome to contact us on Telegram to clarify your doubts regarding these topics. Check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.